welcome to IIT Madras. This is Sharat Ram. I'm a final year mechanical engineering student here, and
So this is Kishore here, and I'm the youngest one of the team.
and there the obliging cameraman. He's Sumant, the master student who is going to head to MIT, and he's also the owner of this pretty messed up room, which is majorly our workspace. We put together a very short skit because we think that ideas are best represented through stories. And do watch the skit and enjoy it. And please do promote and like us on Shell Ideas 360. Hope you guys have fun. Such great outdoors. Maybe you should take up farming for a while.
Why farming? Haven't you read about the recent farmer suicide news reports? Their plight in India is pathetic.
But India has a lot of land that can be irrigated.
That's true, but there are a lot of problems associated with it also. There's water scarcity, there's lack of access to electricity, and there's so many other issues also.
But what about innovations like drip irrigation? Now that saves a lot of water.
That does, but for drip irrigation you need pumps which need electricity. Where do you go for electricity?
I thought India is endowed with a lot of solar power. Now using solar power in conjunction with something like drip irrigation.
That seems like a fantastic idea. Solar power in conjunction with drip irrigation? That seems good. Let's do something.
Yeah, can we go and discuss this?
Let's go try it.
Yeah.
We were discussing about using solar energy for drip irrigation. Yeah, so I was reading about solar PV cells being used for the same. What are your thoughts on that?
It's a very prevalent technology, but isn't the initial investment fairly high?
That's true, but can you think of any alternatives?
So, as part of our coursework, we learned about bubble pumps, and I was thinking of an idea of using bubble pumps and solar technology. So, I have a very preliminary design, and I'd like you to take a look at it.
Oh, you've already come up with a design. Sounds exciting. Just take me through it.
To give you some background, the present state of affairs in India is that in places that do not have access to electricity, we have canals, and the predominant way of irrigation is flood irrigation, where farmers cut the canals and flood the fields, which results in a lot of water consumption. And in places which indeed do have access to electricity, we have pumps, conventional electric pumps to pump the water. So what we're using here is solar reflectors, which concentrate the heat energy from the sun and concentrate it to a region in the capillary tubes that we use. Now what happens here is that the heat energy heats up the water to generate bubbles, and the bubbles rise up carrying water along with it. And now this kind of pumping action will give a head, and which allows us to take the water throughout the field through a drip piping system. And this is pretty effective in that there is no electricity consumption, there is a lack of any moving parts as such, and the water savings are major. So, and in terms of accessibility to the farmer, in terms of cost too, I think this is a pretty effective idea.
So this idea is applicable not only to farmers in India, but also in other developing economies as well. So do promote and follow us on Shell Ideas 360.